13 times 24. How do I do 13 times 24? You can look at 13 times 24. 13 is kind of close to 10 times 24. Well, I know that is 240. 3 times 24. I know there's 24 hours in a day, and I know that 3 days is 72 hours. 72 is pretty close to 100, so if I round up there, it's going to be about 100, and this one is kind of close to 200, so I'm going to round down to 200. And if I add those together, I'm going to get 300. So my estimate is it's around 300. We can say that 13 times 24. Okay, we're going to show this concretely now. So if we're thinking about this as an array, where we know that one side is going to be 13 and another side is going to be 24, and the area in between, or in the middle here, is all going to be our solution. So I'll start with a 100 block, because I know that each side is 10 by 10. On the side, we're going to need 24. So I already have 10. I'm going to add another 10 here, so another 100 block. And on the side, it's going to be 10 and 10. And I need to have 4 more, so I'm going to add some 10 blocks here. I need to make 13 across, so I'm going to add 3 10s on here. Okay, now if we look at this, this should be 13 across and 24 down. And if we look at how many there are, we can say this is 100, this is another 100, so it's 200. As you can see, 20 times 10 equals 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 in the tens column, which makes 100. And you have 3 times 20, which equals 60. And 4 times 10, which equals 40. And these are our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 4 times 3 equals 12. Now all we have to do is add the areas. 60 and 40, if you add them together, equal 100. Plus 200 equals 300. Plus the 12 is equal to 312, which is our answer. So the answer should be 312. My last method is going to be compensation. 13 can be split up into 10 and 3. 10 times 24 is 240. 3 times 24 is a bit harder, so I think I'll split it up into 1 and 2. 1 times 24 is 24. 2 times 24, I know it's going to be 48. Because what I think about is how many hours there are in a day. And 2 days is 48 hours. But now I need to add on the other 24. So I know that if I add them together, it's going to be 72. If I add 240 to 72, I can split it up into 200 and 40, 70, can think of as 7 and 4, which makes 11. So if you put on another 0 on there, you're going to have 110. 200 plus 110 is 310. Add on another 2, and you're going to end up with 312, which is our answer. How do we estimate 13 times 12? It's not 12. It's going to be 212, which is the wrong answer. 13 times 12